flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Antrim County, southwestern Montgomery County, western Richmond County, southeastern Stanley County until 6:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. 2 cells were producing heavy rain, one near Edgemville and the other across rural southern Antrim County. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Albemarle, Wadesboro, Ansonville, Polson, Norwood, Oakboro, Mount Gilead, Lylesville, Morven, and Peachland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Antrim, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. Here is a special...
One more alert, and I'm at EAS 100.